Hey everybody, Brian here. Hopefully you're all having a great week. Just going to be bringing you another loadout review, an overview of the new Vito Pro PAC Tech PAC MC Special Ops. No, not the bag that you see here, but this very sharp looking bag that is right in front of you right here. So this is the new Tech PAC MC Special Ops, coming to you with a bit of an elevated look to it. You can see it's got the high visibility green accents along it, adding here and along the sides here, and then some nice high visibility green stitching. Really like the design element of this bag. I like the color scheme. It's just my personal preference. But moving on, we've got some low-key high visibility or reflective strips. You can probably see them with the light from the camera being shining on this bag, but as I look at this, you know, it's non-reflective, but when you reflect some light off of it, you get some nice reflective points off of this bag. You do also get it off the top of the bag, and then on the shoulder straps, as well as some strips along on the sides of the bag as well. This bag is essentially, or not essentially, it is the same design as the Tech PAC, or yes, the Tech PAC MC. Internally, you know, just with a completely redesigned visual element to it. Let's go ahead and open up the bag and see what's going on. So I'm transitioning right now into the spring-summer months. We're getting into air conditioning, refrigeration. Well, refrigeration is year-round, but air conditioning. And I basically set up this bag for those tasks. So we'll go ahead and take a look. So again, with the Tech PAC MC, you got the nice little strap here that can keep the front flap off the floor, so you can just hook it up there, but we'll take it off just so you can get a deeper look into the bag. Same, you know, nice storage pocket here. I keep it for some meter test leads. You got another clear blue parts pocket here. Right now I've got some strapping in there and a core removal tool. If we can look in there, so you can see I got a set of the Testo probes. So one for high side, one for low side. I've got my pliers just in behind that. With this bag, you know, I basically figured, you know, I don't really like loading it out with individual screwdrivers, you know, an individual number 2 Phillips, number 2 Robbie, whatever it may be. So I've gone ahead and, you know, stuck in the Klein Tools 14-in-1 HVAC driver in there, and the 7-in-1 nut driver. It pretty much covers everything that I need and eliminates, like, you know, 10 individual tools. Always got to keep a beater screwdriver in there, and then, you know, you've got some control screwdrivers, some flush cutters, temperature probes, some pilot bits, and a 1/4-inch bit attachment. We'll close up that side. Moving on to the back. Now, one of the things that I really like about the Tech PACs in general is the more positive locking system that they have on this bag. It really takes the weight off the bottom of the bag, off the bottom of your back, and reasserts it more to the upper portion of your shoulders. So yeah, one just phenomenal thing that they added to the bag, and you know, it basically is just a locking loop enclosure, quick release, get it out, and then you can access the back side of your bag here. So moving into the back side, again, like the Tech PAC MC, same pockets here, deeper pocket, zipper pocket in the back, another clear view parts pocket, and then the back side I basically just use for my beater and all my pliers, wrenches, pump pliers. I've even got a tool check plus in there, and then all my nut drivers sitting in there. So it's pretty basic, pretty standard. Another design element, kind of reflective feature that they added to the inside of the bag. It's hard to kind of see here, but they've added the reflective strips to the nylon here on the tool. The tool holders, you can actually see them here as well. Just another design element, but very low key, but makes the bag very slick. Like I said, I really love this color scheme. I love this bag, and thank you once again to Vito Pro PAC for giving me the opportunity to demonstrate and test out this bag and produce this video for all of you. So everyone, stay safe out there. Take care.